Amazon's big spring sale is live right now, and there's actually some really solid fishing deals in here. I pulled out some of the best stuff that I could find. I'll keep this quick so you can grab it before it's gone. The sale does end on Tuesday. You can scan the QR code that I have on the screen. Otherwise, I have links down below. Also, real quick, Scheels has a big spring fishing sale going on right now too. I'll show you a couple of those deals later in the video. Amazon is actually coming around to a lot better in the fishing industry is some of the more recognizable brand names that are in here. You've got Pelican, Placino, Garmin, Columbia, Northland Tackle, Berkeley, Hook, and others in here. So Garmin has some crazy deals going on right now as well. This isn't just Amazon. Scheels has these as well as some of the other retailers that I'll have linked down below. But LiveScope Plus is one of those crazy good deals, $13.99. This is the best price that we're seeing on this thing. I don't anticipate it going any lower than that, even around Black Friday. They've also got the bundles on sale as well. The Ultra 2, the 12-inch, the 10-inch with the LiveScope combo deal, and you're saving some money. These are good. If you're looking to get a screen plus LiveScope, grab them together, save some money. Scheels has some really good deals as well, which you'll see at the end. Berkeley has some of their power baits, the Power Switch Fishing Soft Bait. These came out last year, and I love these things. You can pick them up a bunch of different colorways here, different sizes, and you can get some different prices, but these are also on sale. Northland Tackle has a bunch of stuff on Amazon for sale. You can just click on Northland and get to a lot of their other products. I'm going to go through a few of them here, but they've got the MVP jig, different colors, different sizes. They've got football jigs in here. They've got the Berkeley Power Bait Jerk Shad, $5.35. This is 23% off. If you're into their Power Bait Jerk Shad, this could be a good one for you. This is technically an ice fishing lure, but I think this would work great for open water as well. Northland Tackle Rig Tungsten Pin Fry Ice Fishing Jig. This is 15% off. They've also got the Broom Bug that's 22% off. They've got their stand-up jig. This is tungsten, 25% off, down to $6 almost. And then you've got eye candy. This is a hot item that they seem to sell out of ever since they launched it as we get later into the summer. So maybe stock up now. It looks like we can get, let's see, 15% off, 47% off this color. Pretty crazy. Bunch of different sizes, colorways. Check them out. I'm going to definitely be stocking up on some eye candy. And then the other thing that I'm going to be stocking up on are these guys right here. A level head fishing jig. You can see how it's got your normal jig with the hook, and then you got that stinger hook down behind it there. $6.75. I think you get, these are coming in a 2-pack. I'm going to try them. I've never fished with these before, but I could see these being good for crappie, for walleye, maybe even bass in open water here. And then Northland also has their tungsten short shank fishing jig. These are right up there, probably tied for my favorite open water jigs, right next to the Fireball jig that is also from Northland Tackle. I didn't check to see if those are on sale, but if they are, check those out as well. These come in a short shank as well as a long shank. These ones are the short shank that are on sale. Looks like you got to kind of click around to get a combination that's going to be on sale for you. But like these ones right here, this colorway is 25% off. Then Berkeley's Power Bait Rattle Shrimp 3-count, $5.76. Pretty dang good deal if you're into a rattle shrimp. This has a rattle chamber in it. Pretty cool. One of the favorite things that I always talk about, whether it's ice fishing rods or open water rods, is I have a bunch of these lined across the back of my gear garage. They're the Placino vertical fishing rod holders. I absolutely love these. You can buy a bunch of different packages of them, whether it's depending on lengths and colors and sizes and all of that. And they hang horizontally on the wall, and you can see they don't take up a lot of space. You can alternate where your reels are so you can get them really close together. And in just this short little area, I think it's 18 inches long. You've got 9 rods that you can fit there. Pretty good deal. $15 is all that it costs. 30% off. Now, I have not tried these, but if you're a kayak fisherman, if you have a track on your boat and you want some rod holders, this could be something considering trying. It's only $34 for 2 of these. I'm going to roll through some of the Columbia stuff here really quick. They've got quite a bit on sale right now, like their long sleeve UPF shirts, $18.47, down from $40. Pretty dang good deal. If you like these, they're lightweight. They're nothing too crazy fancy, but it's also $18. Columbia has a bunch of hats on sale right now. They're not crazy discounted prices, but if you like the designs that they have, now's one of the better times to buy them because you get them between 20 to 30% off is what I'm seeing. Here's one. It's white with the fish flag on it, $22.50, down from $30. Here's one with the star flag on it, $18.24, $22.50, $22.50. A bunch of different ones in here, so feel free to check those out. They've got some pretty sweet hats in here, like this one, $24.59. It's kind of like a red, white, and blue. Hook also has their sunglasses on sale right now, $48, down from $60. It's 20% off. I've personally never used them, but I've heard good things. 4.4 stars out of 4,388 reviews here. A bunch of different colored lenses and styles. They do have a 30-day return replacement, so if you don't like them, just return them. That's the beauty of Amazon. Hook also has their performance fishing gear shirts, long sleeve shirts on sale. $25.80 is their long sleeve crews that they've got. These are 50 UPF as well. And I told you I was gonna tell you about Scheels. Scheels has got fishing deals right now as well. They have a lot of the Garmin stuff on sale as well. Some of the key items here, they've got the Ultra 2 106. This is the 10-inch EchoMap screen with the LVS 34, $25.99. They've also got the 12-inch for $33.99. They've got a bunch of other ones in here as well, but they've got a ton of stuff in here. Just look at this. Baits from Northland Tackle. These are all on sale. All of these are on sale. You've got bags, you've got hard baits, you've got reels in here, you've got sunglasses, you've got combos in here. Let's just keep loading up. Ooh, the power bait drip swimmer is in here as well. You've got more. Here's that bundle we were talking about for $33.99. You've got swimming shorts. You've got Lowrance screens. This is an HDS Pro 10. Holy smokes. HDS Pro 10 fish finder with active imaging 3-in-1 transducer for $14.99, $1,100 off. Here's that 106 bundle. Here's the Berkeley Jack Lipless crankbait. They've got hats in here. They've got a ton. You've got tackle bags. Here's the Live Scope Plus, $13.99, $400 off. Literally, if you're going to buy Live Scope, now's the time to get it. Again, you can get it through Scheels or Amazon. A ton more screens from Garmin and fish finders. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. So I'm not going to keep draining through it. You've got the QR code here for Scheels, the QR code here for Amazon, and then down below, I've got the links. Let me know down in the comments, what did you pick up? And if you know of any other spring deals that are going on right now, drop it down, share the wealth. I hope this video got you excited for some open water fishing coming up here and saved you a couple of dollars. Stay tuned. We will be back. We are back, ladies and gentlemen.